Welcome back to Trading Cars. Today we are diving into something truly extraordinary, something that redefines what you think about both luxury cars and motorhomes. This is the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, a creation that takes the essence of Ferrari's legendary speed, design, and performance, and fuses it with the comfort and practicality of a high-end motorhome. For many, the very idea of Ferrari entering the motorhome space might sound like a dream or even a crazy experiment. But what we have here is proof that Ferrari can make anything breathtaking, even something as large and unconventional as this. When you first set your eyes on the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, the first thing that strikes you is the unmistakable Ferrari DNA in its design. Despite its massive dimensions, it's instantly recognizable as part of the Ferrari family. The bodywork is sleek and aerodynamic, crafted using lightweight carbon fiber reinforced composites, which is rare for vehicles in the motorhome category. The front end borrows cues from Ferrari's latest hypercars with aggressive LED matrix headlights that sweep back towards the flared fenders, a low and wide front grille with active aerodynamic flaps, and sculpted side panels that channel airflow efficiently along the length of the vehicle. The roofline is surprisingly low for a motorhome, but clever design ensures it still has massive interior headroom. The paintwork is available in Ferrari's iconic Rosso Corsa red, Giallo Modena yellow, and even a deep Nero Daytona black, each finished with a multi-layer ceramic gloss that shimmers under sunlight. From the side profile, the proportions are perfectly balanced for something of this size. The wheels are a masterpiece themselves, massive 24-inch forged alloys, wrapped in custom Michelin Pilot Sport EV tires designed to handle both high-speed cruising and the heavy weight of a luxury living space. The wheel arches are flared, giving it a muscular stance, and carbon fiber side skirts run along the length, integrating retractable steps that appear seamlessly when the doors open. At the rear, the motorhome continues Ferrari's racing heritage with quad exhaust outlets, an integrated diffuser for stability at higher speeds, and a subtle active spoiler that adjusts depending on wind resistance. The taillights feature Ferrari's signature circular LED pattern, giving it that unmistakable supercar touch even from behind. Stepping inside the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is like entering a luxury penthouse suite fused with the cockpit of a high-performance Ferrari. The interior is a handcrafted masterpiece designed in collaboration with Ferrari's bespoke tailoring division. Every inch is wrapped in the finest Italian leather sourced from Poltrona Frau, available in custom color schemes. The dashboard and driving controls are unmistakably Ferrari. Digital drivers display with 3D graphics, a flat-bottom carbon fiber steering wheel with integrated drive mode selectors, and aluminum paddle shifters that feel satisfyingly mechanical. The driver and passenger seats are racing-style bucket seats, electrically adjustable with memory functions, heating, cooling, and even massage options. Above the cockpit is a panoramic electrochromic glass panel that can switch from clear to fully tinted at the touch of a button. Moving into the living area, the Ferrari Motorhome redefines comfort. The lounge space features a modular seating arrangement with diamond-stitched leather sofas that can be reconfigured into a dining area or an entertainment space. Embedded into the walls are 65-inch 8K OLED screens with a custom Ferrari infotainment system, integrated with voice controls, satellite connectivity, and smart home automation. The sound system is a 3D surround setup designed by Bang & Olufsen, specifically tuned for the acoustics of the motorhome, delivering crystal clear audio whether you're watching movies or enjoying music. The kitchen area is a chef's dream, featuring carbon fiber countertops, induction cooking surfaces, a smart refrigerator with climate zones, and even a built-in espresso machine tuned to the exact brewing standards of Ferrari's Maranello headquarters. Every cabinet is soft-close with hidden LED lighting, and the appliances are all high-end European brands designed for efficiency and style. The bedroom is pure indulgence. A queen-size floating bed with a memory foam mattress and adaptive comfort technology ensures a perfect night's sleep, no matter the climate outside. The bed frame itself features ambient lighting strips, and the headboard is upholstered in Alcantara with Ferrari embroidery. Large windows with privacy glass provide stunning views, and the walls have integrated climate control panels so you can adjust temperature without leaving bed. For those who want extra flexibility, the motorhome can be configured with a hidden retractable bunk system for guests. The bathroom is another highlight, finished in marble effect composite materials for durability and luxury. There's a rainfall shower with a digital water temperature control, heated floors, and an automatic ventilation system. Even here, Ferrari's design influence is obvious, from the brushed aluminum fittings to the subtle prancing horse logos etched into the glass shower door. Performance is where the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome shatters expectations. Underneath, this is not your typical slow-moving RV. It's powered by Ferrari's latest hybrid V12 powertrain, producing over 1,000 horsepower combined. The combustion engine works in tandem with 3 high-performance electric motors, 1 on the front axle and 2 on the rear, providing all-wheel drive and instantaneous torque. Despite its size, this motorhome can accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in under 4.5 seconds, a number unheard of in this category. Top speed is electronically limited to 155 mph for safety. But even at high speeds, the ride remains composed thanks to Ferrari's active suspension system that constantly adjusts damping rates to road conditions. The hybrid system is supported by a high-capacity battery pack that offers an electric-only range of around 80 miles, perfect for silent driving in city areas or environmentally sensitive regions. Regenerative braking captures energy and stores it for later use. And the vehicle's aerodynamic profile reduces drag significantly, improving efficiency. The gearbox is a lightning-fast 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, tuned for both performance and smoothness during long-distance cruising. Driving the Ferrari Motorhome is a surprisingly engaging experience. The steering is precise, with rear-wheel steering to aid maneuverability in tight spaces, and the braking performance is on par with Ferrari's supercars thanks to carbon ceramic brakes. There are multiple driving modes, from comfort for long highway stretches to sport for spirited driving, and even a track mode, though realistically, this is more for showcasing Ferrari's engineering prowess than actual racetrack use. In terms of technology, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is a rolling showcase of innovation. It features Level 4 autonomous driving capability, allowing for hands-free cruising on highways, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated parking. The onboard AI system manages climate, lighting, entertainment, and even suggests optimal routes based on weather and traffic data. A satellite-based internet system ensures you're always connected, and solar panels on the roof help power auxiliary systems without draining the main battery. Low pricing for the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome starts at around $2.08 million, with customization options that can easily push it beyond $4 million depending on materials, finishes, and bespoke configurations. This is not just a vehicle, it's a statement, a lifestyle, and a fusion of Ferrari's uncompromising performance with the freedom of the open road. For collectors and enthusiasts who want the ultimate combination of speed, luxury, and practicality, this is in a class of its own. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is more than just transportation. It's a destination in itself. It allows you to travel with the heart of a Ferrari and the comfort of a 5-star suite, turning every journey into an unforgettable adventure. Whether parked at a luxury campsite overlooking the mountains or cruising down the Italian coast, it commands attention, admiration, and respect. Ferrari has once again proven that they can break boundaries and redefine entire categories. And with this motorhome, they've done just that. This is the kind of vehicle that turns dreams into reality, and for those lucky enough to own one, it's an experience that's truly without equal.